Introducing the 2025 Peugeot 408, Allure 1.2 130 automatic 6.4M in sleek grey with only 33,000 kilometres. Packed with advanced features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation and more, this car offers comfort and convenience. With safety features such as anti-collision system, lane departure warning and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. The vehicle also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced and comprehensive warranty for added assurance. Don't miss this opportunity to own a reliable and stylish vehicle. Visit our website at Joe Norris Motors, IE, or call us today for more information. Drive into the future with the Peugeot 408 Allure.